Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions, your number one channel where you get solutions to all the solving problems. It's nice having you in class again today. How have you been? On today's video, we are going to show you how you can easily convert a set of coordinates in degrees, minutes, and seconds to decimal degrees, right? Now, remember on the previous video, we've shown you how to convert from your decimal degrees. I think these were the inputs in longitude and latitude towards to degrees, minutes, and seconds, right? Good. So for the longitude and for the latitude, we have this. So, however, let's now believe that you have from your data collector or from whatever source your point coordinates in DMS, and you want to convert the format, or you want to change the format to decimal degrees as we had as our input the other time. So that's what we are going to show to you. Let's open the field calculator from the attributes table, right? Good. Now from the field calculator, we are trying to create a new field, and then let's call this lat, and then let's say dd, right? Good. Let's put that there. Then instead of whole number, let's come down to decimal numbers, and then let's increase the precision to about 10, right? Good. Now we need a command, so let's come down to conversion, and let's say to decimal, right? Good. So we have to decimal. Now convert a degree, minute, second coordinates to decimal equivalent, right? Good. So let's bring that in. That's the function we want to use. Then what are we converting? That's the input to that formula. Let's come down to the fields and values. Then this is what DMS. Okay, this is DMS for longitude, right? Good. So that's not what we need. We need DMS for latitude. So that should be this, right? Good. So we have what to decimal, and then let's come back to what it means. Conversion to decimal. Good. Convert the DMS coordinate to decimal equivalent. So to DMS and the value, we can now close these parentheses, and you can rightly see from the preview that we have what are decimal degrees displayed. So let's click on OK. Good. So you can see from the attributes table that the decimal degrees for this particular DMS, right? Good. The decimal degrees for this particular DMS has been calculated, and you can see it being displayed at this point, right? Good. All right, let's do the same for what the longitude. So we come down to the field calculator again. We are still creating a new field. Sorry, this should be longitude, and then let's have this like this. Good. Then we are having decimal numbers. Our precision is about 10. Then let's come down to conversion to decimal. Then let's come down to the fields and values. Then we need this, right? Longitude. So we can now close this. Then we have what are decimal degrees values being displayed, right? Good. So we just click on OK, and you can see it has been populated, right? Good. The field has been populated. So you now have, let's assume that most of these columns are not there. These columns are here because maybe we are working with data that we've used before. So let's say you just have these two fields, which what your DMS in longitude and your DMS in latitude. Perhaps they are not concatenated. You definitely have to maybe put them together to a single string, right? Good. So I haven't done all of those, and then you have just these two fields, and you want to get these other two fields, which is what in decimal degrees, right? Good. So this is how you can use what your field calculator to move from your DMS to your decimal degree. So you can decide to save these edits, stop toggle editing, so that when you close this and then you come back to what your DMS SHP, which is actually the layer you're working on, you open your attributes table, you will definitely still find it there. Which means if you have to send it to someone else or export it or maybe move it from QGIS, that field will remain there. So thanks for coming to class. We hope that we've provided solution to this particular GIS problem. We are going to see you on our next video. Until then, keep staying safe and have a very good